Imagine if vertical bike parking would suddenly become simple. A bike parking solution that would lift your bike for you, wouldn't require physical strength, and would save floor space. It's all possible, and it is here. It's Parkis. How it works. Drive in the front wheel. When the wheel is fixed, hold the saddle to lead the way and let Parkis do its job. To remove the bike, just grab the saddle and pull firmly towards yourself. Many bike enthusiasts face a problem, a lack of storage space. All the available bike parking devices that solve this issue require great physical effort. So Parkis was invented as a solution. The idea was born in 2014 and developed for over a year. By the end of 2016, a fully functional product was created. Parkis is a solution that can be used by everyone, from teenagers to the elderly. It also saves at least 40% floor space, and it looks stylish. Parkis. It's easy, fun, and simple.
This is Rob. At first glance, he is just a regular man. But that's only at first glance. In reality, he has super abilities. Because he has Volterman. At first glance, Volterman is just a regular wallet. But that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design, and it's packed with super abilities. The smart wallet helps Rob in a variety of situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But Volterman notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. Volterman is the only wallet with worldwide traceability.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you, and I've got your photos opening it right here.
You are my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But Volterman notifies you when you've left your phone behind.
Excuse me? That's my phone. Thanks. Got it.
Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
And there's more. Volterman has great functions for travelers as well. When you need internet anywhere in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use Volterman's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is way cheaper than regular roaming.
Go ahead, talk as long as you want.
I'm telling you, my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Sometimes, at very important moments, your battery dies.
Cut. This is a problem that happens way too often. We can't have just one scene in the video for this. Folks, you try and remember how many times your phone has died at the worst possible moment. When you're filming your kid's performance and right in the middle of it, your phone shuts down. Or imagine you have to tell your date you're running late. Picture that disaster. Or your battery dies in the middle of an important business call. Your online poker tournament is interrupted. You're lost and you can't look up online maps. Not only is Volterman super slim and ultra lightweight, but it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
You're my Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
The idea of Volterman started 2 years ago, and our team of engineers and designers have been working tirelessly on creating a perfect mix of design and technology. And here it is in its final shape, packed with super abilities.
Oh, 45 minutes. Oh. Is that your Volterman again?
Nah, not this time. That was a whole me. Your personal Superman. So, what do you think? Did they understand they need to back this project in order to get Volterman into their pockets? Folks, we are so close to finalizing this project, but we need your help to start manufacturing Volterman. So back this project today, and let's make this a reality.
Mechanical, robust, simple, affordable. All huemer's products have to meet these 4 criteria. Otherwise, they are not authentic products from huemer in Upper Austria. The young, dynamic team is committed to designing, producing, and constantly improving innovative fruit collection devices in a variety of sizes for a range of different fruit. The huemer team are aware that traditional, manual methods of collecting fruit from the ground are time-consuming and physically challenging. Huemer's fruit collectors make this necessary task far easier, and the various models are designed to meet the requirements of our customers. Our fruit collectors can be used to collect fruit in grass up to 30 centimeters long. The drums adapt automatically to the surface and can collect fruit with a diameter between 3 and 15 centimeters. Slopes and uneven ground are no problem for huemer products. The company from Laakirchen in Upper Austria provides complete solutions for all your harvest needs, which is why huemer also supplies the practical tree shaker and the selection board. Huemer Fruit Harvest Technologies. Robust, simple and affordable solutions for fruit harvesting and collection. Made in Austria.